Hello everyone! So if you want to pair your Huawei Watch GT4 to an iPhone, first of all let's activate the watch by pressing on the crown. Now choose the English, for example, choose the language, for example English. If you're using any other language, use another language, it's not a problem. Now make sure to turn on your Bluetooth on your iPhone. So to do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap on this icon to turn it on. Now let's go to our App Store. In our App Store, we gotta press search, and here we are to enter Huawei Health. Here it is. Tap on it, press install. And now let's give it a few seconds to install. Alright, so as it was installed, press open. Now you're to choose your region. Mine was detected automatically, so I'll press next. Read through your privacy policy, press next. Press agree if you agree with that. Press allow because you would need the notifications for your training and health purposes. Now go to your devices tab, press add devices, and now you will be prompted to log in. So let's do this. You are to enter your phone, email, or login ID and your password. Sometimes it can take some time, but now let's keep on. So press add your device. Your phone will start scanning for other devices. It's already found our watch. Let's press connect. Now confirm a pairing request on your watch and confirm it on your iPhone as well. So allow it to have all the notifications from your iPhone. Now we are to agree to the terms of use, press next, and we're successfully paired. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.